Hey, what's up, gamers? If your PS4 keeps booting into safe mode or won't exit it, then you're in the right video. Today I'm going to show you the best ways to get out of safe mode and fix the underlying problems. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Restart the PS4. The first thing you should try is a normal restart. In the safe mode menu, select Restart PS4 and let the console reboot. If that option doesn't work, turn off the PS4 completely by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until it shuts down. Then, power it back on normally. In many cases, this simple restart is enough to exit safe mode. Step 2. Check the cables. Loose or faulty cables can force the PS4 into safe mode. Unplug the power cable, HDMI cable, and any USB devices connected to the console. After waiting about a minute, reconnect everything securely and turn the PS4 back on. A bad HDMI connection or unstable power supply is a very common cause of safe mode loops. Step 3. Change resolution. If your TV doesn't support the current display resolution, the PS4 may fail to boot normally. In safe mode, select Change Resolution and choose 480p. This forces the console to use a basic display setting that works on almost all TVs. Once the PS4 restarts, you can later adjust the resolution back to normal in settings. Step 4. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database is one of the most effective safe mode fixes. This option scans the hard drive and reorganizes system files without deleting games or saved data. Select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu and allow the process to finish. It can take some time, but it often fixes corruption that prevents normal startup. Step 5. Update software. Outdated or failed system updates can trap the PS4 in safe mode. From the menu, choose Update System Software and select Update using Internet. If you don't have internet access, you can also update using a USB drive with the official PS4 update file from Sony's website. A successful update often resolves boot issues immediately. Step 6. Restore settings. If the problem continues, restoring default settings may help. This option resets system settings like display, sound, and network configurations, but does not delete games or save data. Choose Restore Default Settings and let the PS4 reboot. Step 7. Initialize PS4. Initializing the PS4 should only be used as a last resort. This performs a full factory reset and deletes all data on the console. If you choose this option, make sure your saved games are backed up to cloud storage or a USB drive. Initialization usually fixes persistent safe mode issues caused by severe software corruption.